Hi everyone, my question is what is shipability? So answer is the agent takes the captain's receipt and goes to the company's office from where he fills the printed will form and submits it to the office along with the captain's receipt. The officer of the shipping company keeps the captain's receipt with help himself and signs the shipping will and gives it to the agent uh, if the freight to paid in advance. The signed will of landing is received only after the freight is paid in the ship's bill. The details of the cargo are given as per the details written in the captain's receipt. So thank you.